look at molecular shapes. This is H2O, and then this is a lone pair, this is another lone pair, this is hydrogen, white is hydrogen, then this one is oxygen. This is H2O. H2O is bent in shape. It is bent in shape. The angle between hydrogen and another hydrogen is 105. That is 104,5. This is the angle between hydrogen and another hydrogen. So the lone pairs pushes hydrogen. Yabona xa ndiyipusha pha lone pair le hydrogen iyabaleka pha xa ndipusha la lone pair ndiyipusha uba mayisondele hydrogen iyabaleka. So to maintain that angle, which is 105, let's quickly look at maybe the ammonia. Let's just look at carbon dioxide. This is carbon dioxide. The central atom does not have any lone pair, so you can see akekho la amehlo lone pair pha. So if ndiyijika le iyabaleka because iyafana nqwa le naleya. That is carbon dioxide. This is oxygen, this is oxygen, this is carbon. So oxygen uyamrepela omnye oxygen. Then sigqibile leya. So this one is linear in shape. It is linear in shape. The angle is supposed to be 180. So there is 180 angle per. So let's look for another example. Sulfur dioxide. Ne lone pair. Nansi, it is bent. Iyabaleka. So nansi, this is oxygen. This is sulfur. The angle there is 119. Quickly, let's look at maybe ammonia. Now ammonia on a lone pair A1. This is hydrogen, this is another hydrogen, this is another hydrogen, this is nitrogen. So as you can see, the shape of ammonia is trigonal pyramidal. The angle between hydrogen is 107.